Let me show you how to use the workout system on your Garmin Vivoactive 6. And also I'll show you all the exercise if you are considering purchasing this watch. So if you want to quickly launch exercise, simply press this button once. And basically if you also want to start your favorite exercise that you have added basically on the top, you can simply press twice. And again, if you press essentially 3 times, you can essentially, for example, start running exercise. So, and if I press this again, I can pause the exercise, and if I wait some time, basically maybe like 4 or 5 seconds, I'll be able to resume the exercise, save, or discard essentially the exercise. So if I press this, exercise gets discarded. Okay. So as you see, basically, if for example I press the main button quickly three times, 1, 2, 3, I can essentially start exercise very quickly, which is absolutely awesome. And if you want to customize which is your favorite exercise, we can simply press these 4 dots essentially here. And then first we can actually change the order of your favorite exercise. So these are your favorite exercise that you have added, and you can add even more. So literally press and hold, and you'll be able to basically move it around or even like delete this exercise from your favorites. So if I scroll basically edit here, so click add, I can add more exercise here. So let me show you what all exercise we have. So I will simply browse through all of them. So if you do not have this watch, you can see what we actually get here. And as you see, the choice is actually absolutely huge. I think these motorsport activities are actually kind of new on this watch. And even golfing here, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to add, simply click, and basically as you see, you got added. So how to choose your favorite exercise which you can launch basically by pressing this multiple times. So basically on the right side you see this like tick mark essentially. So you simply like tick over here, so you can also select multiple ones. So if I have these selected, basically if I go back, as you see, I actually have 2 quick exercises I can quickly launch. So I think if I press this again, so let me try that again, I'm not sure. So yep, the first actually is the running, for example, but again you can swap around the orders of them. But as you see also we have this bike exercise again over here. And if you actually want to change the exercise layout basically, then before you actually start the exercise, you can essentially go over here in the settings, click for example this, and then we can adjust various things here such as these data screens, and then you can pretty much change basically all these things over here or add even more. So you can see what we can actually add over here, and we can even add custom data fields as well from your basically Connect IQ Store. So what you do is simply download this app called Connect IQ Store, and then you'll be able to basically find various data fields basically. So on this app over here. Okay, also we have and same run settings, for example run settings, yep, we can also set up different alarms here. So if your heart rate basically exceeds certain value, the watch will alert you essentially, and some more things that we can add essentially here. Also lap recording here as well. And actually I have disabled this lap key as because if you press this button, basically yeah, it doesn't goes back but only records a lap. So I highly suggest go over here to disable this. So as you see also various other things, and also we can actually change basically our GPS basically. So for example, as you can see various GPS systems basically, either for better accuracy, which will consume more data, or basically maybe worse accuracy, but actually better battery life. So, and other things, as you see, it's actually very advanced over here. And also in the over here we even have like trainings, like plans we can also like create. So as you can see, we even can get access to workout library here. So I mean, this watch is absolutely amazing. And then also we actually have backtrack function as well over here. So you can even save location over here and even add courses as well. And if you want to use the backtrack function, so you have to be in exercise. So start exercise, so maybe walk somewhere. And if you want to navigate back to your starting point, again swipe like this, navigate over here back to start, track back, and in a moment it should basically display your map basically, and yeah, where you need to go. Basically, I haven't walked anywhere, but again, you will see kind of your outlines where you need to go, and also you will see basically the like direction where you also need to go to reach basically back. And also what is huge upgrade on this Vivoactive 6 compared to 5 and other Garmin watches, basically if I start my exercise, for example, so let's start, and basically if you want to exit to the main screen, you can now simply swipe like this, like 2 times, and you'll get access to your main watch, so you can actually do everything just as normal. And basically, okay, apologies. So basically on the top you'll see this icon, kind of running man essentially. So in my experience, basically in my case, basically I started running exercise, so it will be the running man. So I can quickly go back to my exercise over here. And again, this is very nice that we actually finally have this function, so we can use our watch and the exercise still gets tracked in the background. And also on this watch directly we can also see our exercise history as well. So again, press the upper button and then over here history, and you'll be able to see your past like exercise over here. So if I click one of these things, it will essentially bring up basically the data for that exercise, and this is essentially what it looks like. So again, very advanced. And again, we can actually like get custom workouts on this watch as well over here in the system. I mean, it's absolutely awesome what this watch actually has. And again, you can basically set this up in like multiple ways. And again, this overall like exercise system is very advanced on this watch. Anyway, good luck.